should he refinance the truck now?
Yes.
But watch this couple sit down and play YBAngry and calmly resolve this in just minutes. No stress, no drama. It's just a game.
I liked it this way, honestly.
Yeah, I like it because it's like everybody has a voice. I'll be player A.
Okay, you player A, you player B.
Alright, so one of the main details I think we should refinance because we can start saving money sooner than later. And I think that's on a scale of 1 to 10 is like a 10 for relevance.
So what you are saying to me is we should refinance the truck so we can start saving money now?
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
That's tough. All right, I'm gonna say it's not.
Okay, so this is good. As you can imagine, it's hard for two people, no matter how much they love each other, to agree on an issue if they can't even agree on the facts.
Right.
Yeah.
How relevant is it to you that he thinks we can save money?
Oh, very relevant.
Okay, so you gave it a 10. What did he give it? A 10.
A 10. I said I do not believe this is true. Saving money is very important, but I think we will not be able to save much.
Alright, so what you're saying to me is that we won't save a lot of money if we were to refinance right now.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, is that right?
Yes.
I kind of agree with you actually. Like when you was writing your response, in my head I kind of knew what you was thinking because I know based on like I know what you're talking about. Like I think like based on because credit score matters a lot when you're trying to refinance something. And mine is not where you think it should be right now. So you're right. So I think that if we were to refinance right now versus waiting a couple months where my score will be higher and get a better APR and all this other stuff. So I kind of understand why you said like not right now.
You guys through talking about that?
Yeah, he didn't agree with me.
Okay, right.
I feel better because you understood what I was saying to you and you took it into consideration.
I feel better because you brought up a valid point instead of just saying because we shouldn't do it right now. You actually explained to me why we shouldn't do it right now.
Was there progress on this detail? Yes or no? You both have to agree.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now the next question is, did we win the game?
Yeah.
I agree.
Okay. So like most people,
We didn't even make it to the rest of the
I told you.
details.
Are you guys glad you played?
Oh, yeah.
How long you guys
It was
been?
definitely a nice experience.
Thank you. How long have you guys talked about the refinance thing?
It's been months. Been
Yeah.
a few months.
Maybe like
It's been a couple months.
yeah, maybe like 3 or 4 months. I've been nagging her about it.
Share this video and help other couples stay together, one issue at a time. Please like, subscribe, and click the notifications to receive more videos just like this. Order your games and get free shipping by clicking on the link in the description.